Okay, this is part 3 of our nature walk series today. We just saw 2 deer at the end of part 2. If you want to check that out, it'll take a long time to get these uploaded though with YouTube. Took all night yesterday. So those deer went off in this direction toward the pond, but our trail is going this way. And the main trail is in this direction. So this trail must go around and head back toward the main trail. Who knows? Maybe we'll run into them deer on the main trail. A lot of elm trees in here, I guess. A lot of acorns in here. I hope this trail here gets us back to the main trail. Okay. Camera wants to look to the right sometimes. I might have to rethink that lanyard on there. I just want to have it on there for security reasons. So those deer would be somewhere in there right now. But they're deep in that brush over there, and there's a little rise right there. So they're going to be well hidden unless they come in this direction. Yeah, this lanyard keeps pulling on the phone. What should I do here? Maybe if I just hold on to it, let's get us straightened back out. I'm just kind of waiting here a minute, see if those deer pop out. But they're back here hidden. That's our little pond. I don't want to like be chasing deer around. If I happen to run into them again, fine. So hopefully this trail winds us back into that other part of the trail, because I kind of want to get back on the main trail now, even though I know this trail now, where it goes. Okay. Yeah, we're turning back towards the main trail now. We're right off the main trail now. I just don't remember this dirt trail popping out over here when we were going down the main trail. So this is a good place for the deer to hang out at, because I got this pond for the water source. They're over there on the other side of the pond. I can't remember if there was like a little prairie over there. This could be the end of the main trail, where it goes next to the street, right next to the street up here. This will be a nice nature walk though. It's a lot of mud here. I'm seeing dirt. I'm seeing deer tracks in this mud here. This really needs to dry up though. Trying not to walk on the mud. Just staying on the outside. Okay, so we're not meeting up with the trail yet, even though it's right here. Trying to extend this off-road trail as far as they can. I wonder if this goes back around the pond on the other side. Yeah, it's still not meeting up with the main trail. I had a lot of mud on my pants and my shoes right now. I could just cut out onto here. Let's go around this corner. There's a lot of deer tracks through here. It's the easy way around the pond for the deer. I'm gonna try not to like all of a sudden pop up on one of them. But they are on this side of the pond, looking at the ground again. I'm gonna try and keep this, hold up this phone a little higher. Okay, so doesn't look like we're coming out yet. Let's see how bad it would be to carry this coat, if I want to carry this coat around. My phone just took a turn on us. Okay. Let's get the string back out. Get it up a little. I got 2 lanyards I'm using here. Oh, I forgot to put the backpack on. Let's see if I can do it this way. I just saw a squirrel. I thought it was a deer. Maybe something was chasing it. Okay, so we got our backpack. We might have to start using that orbital on the gimbal. Keep forgetting what it's called. I've only been using it for 2 days. Okay, so let's like to keep my hand on these lanyards. Let's get this pointed right. You see, it's not taking us back to the main trail yet. Those deer are on this side of the pond. There's no way to see anything through there though. I wonder if this is going to take us back in instead of going to the main trail. It's just going alongside the main trail here. If we keep going along this pond, we're going to see those deer. It's really dense woods here, though. It's perfect for them. Get a lot of cover in here. I don't know how much of this is gonna actually get leaves on it or not. There's a lot of dead branches in here, a lot of dead trees. Okay. It looks like they just want this trail to be right around, going around here. And the pond is over here, I think. My shoes are getting pretty muddy. They're gonna be tough to clean those. Nope, we're still not turning to the main trail yet. It's taking us back, taking us in. Looks like it could be a bunch of deer tracks here. I think that's the edge of the pond over there. Let's see. We're about 12 minutes right now. So if we want to keep going here, we're going to have to do a part 4 like we did yesterday. Okay, looks like we're going back up. Got some water. Probably need. Now we're getting a little further. Oh no, here's the main trail right here. So we're still going along it. We gotta be getting close to where this trail goes alongside the road. Looks like some people came over this with their mountain bike, maybe. Unless the bark just got scraped off or from stepping on it. Every time I look down, I gotta remember to move the camera back up. I just saw a big bird fly in front of me. Looked like it was blue. It looked pretty big. Let's see if we can spot it. It's low in the tree over here. Okay, that's not it. Must have bolted. bolted on us. A lot of deer tracks here. Getting pretty tired, and I got to walk all the way back on the. I'm gonna walk back on the main trail. So I don't think I'd make it going back through here again. Okay, so this is going to be the end of part 3 of the video, and then we're going to start a part 4 and see how long we go with that.